This small, thin vessel has a characteristic decoration of a thin trail wrapped around the vessel body. It has an inner fold and no punty mark on the bottom. Held in the hand, this vessel is nearly weightless, so a tiny amount of glass is gathered on a very small blowpipe. I attach the rubber blow hose so that I can blow while holding the blowpipe at various angles and using the jacks at the same time. This replaces an assistant. Holding the blowpipe slightly down, the bubble grows larger. Gravity causes the bubble to elongate and causes the wall to thin. After a reheat, the process continues. The thicker molten glass on the end inflates, and an articulation is made in the form of an indentation between the growing vessel body and the tubular neck. The bubble is blown larger, the constriction made a little tighter, the tube made a little longer, and a slight constriction is made near the blowpipe. A small gather of glass gathered on the end of a metal rod is shaped and then touched near the base to begin a trail. This is cast off, and the glass has to be thoroughly reheated to slightly melt in the trail. The bottom is flattened, and because there's no punty mark, the vessel has to be held with a clamp device. This has been preheated to about 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The neck is broken. And the rim area reheated. This vessel has an inner folded rim. And the rim and the upper neck is given its final shape. The vessel is then removed from the clamp and placed in the annealing oven for slow cooling.